It's your special day, time to celebrate. Best birthday to you, you're the star today. Happy best birthday, dear Abby. Blessed birthday to you. May your dreams come true. Here, Tita Toots, I got you flower.
Ano sabi mo?
Here, Tita Toots, I got you flower.
Sisi Carol ko. Oh, dito kami guys.
Mamamalengke muna kami.
Mamalengke. Kasi wala na kaming pambili. Ano? Yay! Oh, parang bridal shower yan. Hi, Sis Che!
Ay, Sash ba yan?
Oo.
Sayang, may party hat ako sa...
Baka pagkitahan mo ko pag may dala ko.
Lighter ko sa'yo, may lighter.
Ano?
Bago ni Lord. Surprise!
Happy birthday, Ate Tutsi!
Wala pala pati dumatay. How is the dedication? Kasi kami makapuno. Buti na lang may gano'n. Ito, edible yan. Delikado na.
Salubungin niyo na.
Gawin na natin. Yung si JB.
Sugod mga
Kita naman na
kapatid. Sugod. Sugod. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Yung sa point mo.
Gulat siya eh!
Ay, ka sa vlog kuya. Habang ayaw umanda ng lighter.
Wala nang laman.
Ayan,
Ayun na.
Hangin pa.
Mahangin.
Ito na lang sa kuko.
Ayan.
Sa kuko na lang.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Oh, sa kate. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
To you.
Happy birthday!
To you.
Bago kumain! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Thank you, to you.
Yay!
Preaching happy, ano, pagka-happy daw yung asawa mo. Happy ka na. Pero, in fairness, sa lalaki naman yun. Kasi, happy lang, babae lang pala titignan natin maging happy. So, dapat, pag happy wife, happy life.